Overcoming exam anxiety for B2 First, FCE. Success. Hello learners. Today, we'll dive deep into a topic many of you might relate to, exam anxiety. Particularly, we'll focus on how to deal with this anxiety when preparing for the B2 First, FCE, exam. Let's uncover strategies and tips to ensure you not only succeed in your exam but also enjoy the learning journey. At the heart of overcoming any challenge is first understanding it. Exam anxiety is that uneasy feeling, those butterflies in your stomach, or even that mind freeze during an exam. It's quite common, and many experience it due to fear of failure, lack of preparation, or past negative experiences. Knowing it's a common feeling can sometimes be a relief in itself. One of the best ways to tackle exam anxiety is to be well prepared. Study regularly. Instead of cramming, make it a habit to study a little bit each day. This not only helps retention but also boosts your confidence. Practice tests. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. Take mock tests in real-time conditions. This will make the actual exam feel less daunting. Plan ahead. Know the venue of your exam. Perhaps even visit it a day before if it's unfamiliar. Planning reduces uncertainty and thus, anxiety. Your mind and body are deeply connected. Stay active. Physical activity, like walking or yoga, can release tension. Mindfulness and meditation. Techniques like deep breathing or meditation can calm your mind. Try practicing these a few weeks before your exam, so you can use them effectively on exam day. Nutrition. Eat balanced meals. Avoid too much caffeine or sugar, as they can heighten anxiety. The big day is here. But, no worries. Here are some tips. Arrive early. Being in a rush can spike your anxiety. Aim to arrive a bit early, so you have time to relax and gather your thoughts. Positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your preparation. Tell yourself, I am ready, or, I can do this. Breaks. If you feel overwhelmed, pause, take a few deep breaths, and then continue. Remember, it's okay to ask for a break if you genuinely need one. Dealing with exam anxiety is a journey, and remember, you're not alone. Everyone faces challenges, but with the right strategies and a positive mindset, you can overcome them. We hope these tips help you in your B2 First, FCE, exam. Best of luck, and happy learning!